name's Levi Brown. This is my 91 Honda Civic, just a standard, and it's got a K20 Type R motor in it. Yeah, so I had the car I got probably about 8 or 9 years ago. Bought it kind of as a project. Kind of got it as a bare open shell, no interior in it. It was going to be a track car. I just kind of refined the stuff that it came with. I ended up buying a Type R swap for it, the 2002 Civic Type R motor. I had the same swap in it for probably 6 or 7 years now, and I've just come out here for pretty much since the whole Gridlife stuff started. Started getting into the time attack and just having a really good time with it, kind of staying competitive. I've just kind of kept the car pretty much left alone. I don't take care with it too much. I keep it the same and just throw some brakes at it, some pads and rotors here and there. I'm not really a big fan of working on cars too much, so the less I got to do to it, the better off I am, and I just keep driving it and keep trying to kind of beat my previous personal bests and stuff and just keep going at it. Hanging in there all right with the times that I usually get. I tried some different tires this time for the first time. I feel like I could go a little bit faster, but it's just, the track's not there for it. I'm down by my times that I'm usually at with a better tire, so I feel like there's room for improvement, but it's just not there right now. And then with the rain right now, I don't think I'll be able to get back down to where I was at. Track's probably gonna be a little bit greasy and not much grip out there, but the last session, I'm just hoping I'll go out there and have some fun with it. You know, if it's wet out there, I'll just slide it around a little bit and see what we can do.